as of 1 p.m.
Tonight, along parts of Florida's east coast, the rush is on to get out.
This storm at this magnitude could really cause massive destruction, and do not put your life in jeopardy by staying behind.
In Palm Beach County, Donna Kirby is evacuating her parents, both in their late 80s.
If it doesn't take that turn north, it's coming straight in here at Category 5, so you have to act.
Today, President Trump visited FEMA's headquarters.
I'm not sure that I've ever even heard of a Category 5. I knew it existed, and I've seen some Category 4s. You don't even see them that much, but a Category 5 is something.
Yet during his administration, 3 hurricanes impacting the U.S. were Category 5s at one point: Irma, Maria, and Michael. For Dorian, preparations are stretching up to Georgia and the Carolinas. NBC's Kathy Park is in Charleston.
Coastal flooding has already been a problem here this past week with one of the highest tide levels of the year, so Dorian could only increase the risk of extreme flooding.
Back in Florida, businesses banking on Labor Day weekend rushed to board up as Dorian intensifies.
It's something we're really counting on this time of year, but yeah, it came at a bad time, this storm.
And Gabe's with us now. Gabe, it's changed course a little bit over the weekend. Are you finding people are following the evacuation orders now?
Well, Kate, the evacuations began just a few hours ago for certain low-lying areas, and from what we have seen, many people are heeding the warnings. A Cat 5 will definitely get your attention. And to our north, more mandatory evacuations are expected tomorrow.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe